Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python and pip are installed because everything else depends on that. Once done, install Pandas plus a reader, open Pixel for XLSX, XLRD for older, XLS or Pixels for XLSB. Next, make a project folder and put the Excel file there so you reference a relative path. Make sure to note the exact sheet name and any header row number. This avoids path and sheet errors later, and lets you write the first read command quickly. Now you load the sheet with Pandas. Read Excel, specifying sheet name and header so headers align correctly. After loading, inspect df head to view rows and df info to confirm types and null counts. If columns are misaligned due to merged headers or extra rows, use skip rows or header parameters. If types are wrong, pass dtype or converters. Once you see the structure, drop or rename columns, parse dates with parse dates, and make sure numeric columns contain numeric. To finish, export your processed frame using df to Excel or to CSV. Specify index equals false to avoid extra columns. If you need formatting, use Open Pixel as the engine and apply styles before saving. For very large files, write in chunks or stream to avoid memory spikes. If something breaks, first make sure the Excel file isn't open in another program, confirm the sheet name and engine match the file type, and check for encoding or parser errors. These fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.